Welcome to the VW family. Your Volkswagen is packed with exciting new features that help make it safer, more convenient, and fun to drive. Let's explore your new Atlas. As a new owner, you receive Carefree Coverage that comes standard on all new Volkswagens, which includes complimentary scheduled maintenance for the first 2 years or 20,000 miles. You'll get roadside assistance 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for the first 3 years or 36,000 miles, plus a 4-year or 50,000-mile new vehicle limited warranty. Then there's the 5 years of remote access you'll get standard through the myVW app. You can start your car from your kitchen table, unlock your doors remotely. You can set speed and boundary alerts and find your car in a parking lot. Remote features let you stay connected to your vehicle whether you are right next to it or miles away. Speaking of the myVW app, it's all things VW, all in one place. Here you will have access to your vehicle's information, tutorials, updates, service history, recall notifications, and much more. When within the parameters, you can also schedule roadside assistance for free. If you haven't already, go ahead and download the myVW app to your device. Volkswagen recommends that routine maintenance be performed on your vehicle every 10,000 miles or 12 months, whichever occurs first. Remember, your first 2 maintenance services are included as part of your Carefree Coverage. Your safety matters to us. With 5 years of complimentary, safe and secure emergency services at no additional cost. Your new Volkswagen comes equipped with Alexa, so when you link your car with your Amazon account, you can start your car remotely with your Alexa device. You can also access Alexa inside the car by tapping the Alexa icon on the touchscreen. Your new Volkswagen is also equipped with IQ.DRIVE technology, which provides a number of safety-enhancing features to improve the driving experience. Travel Assist is a feature that combines adaptive cruise control and lane assist to provide semi-automated driving capabilities. The adaptive cruise control feature uses radar sensors and cameras to maintain a set speed while adjusting the distance from the vehicle in front of you. The active blind spot monitor uses sensors to detect vehicles in your blind spot and provides visual and audio alerts, helping you make safer lane changes. Rear Traffic Alert is designed to assist you when reversing out of parking spaces. Front Assist is an advanced safety-enhancing feature that uses radar technology to monitor the distance from the vehicle ahead. In emergency assist situations, the vehicle will come to a complete stop if the driver becomes unresponsive. Finally, Lane Assist is designed to help you stay centered within your lane. Learn more about IQ.DRIVE at vw.com/IQ. To get the latest information about your Volkswagen, keep an eye in your inbox for your personalized newsletter, VW Go. For more information and tutorials about your vehicle, scan the QR code. Welcome to the Volkswagen family. Enjoy the road ahead.